Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Seeking peace in stillness. Find perfection in an imperfect world. Seek peace in the midst of chaos and opposition. Seek that place of stillness where all is well and everything is working together for good. The universal laws are created perfectly in its ideal sequence for your unique purpose and mission. Thank you so much, Danny G. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for YouTube. I'm grateful for my wife, and I'm grateful for all the social media platforms. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.